explain some Blue Moon to you. It's a tricky little song out of 2A. First of all, we start with our 3 on G and our 2 on C. So it's a weird position that looks like this. Notice we're not on middle C, so we're way up there. And this is a good one to actually work line by line with the right hand. So if you look at this, kind of looks a lot like that, doesn't it? Kind of looks a lot like that. Kind of looks a lot like that. These all are kind of the same idea, except they all start on a different note. So here your 2's on F, here your 2's on D, and here your 1 is on C, begins with. Same thing, the second page is about the same exact song. Okay? So watch that right hand part. 2, 3, 4, 1. See those double notes? So you should practice line 1 a couple times. When you get line 1, try line 2. So we start here, and we move 2 to D. But notice it's the same kind of thing as the first line. It's almost the same, it's the same rhythm and it's almost the same intervals. Or it is. And then if you get line 2, try line 3, that's the easy one. C position. So let me play the first page with the right hand. 2, 3, 4, rest. We shift down and do the same thing. Stay there. Okay? And that's the same stuff for the next page too. So that pretty much does your whole song. So do each line a couple times. Notice how they're the same, kind of the same thing, just in different places. Okay? Let me show you some of the left hand. Left hand is a little bit tricky because we're in G position. So we do. See how the left hand hits before the right? Here too. It's the same notes. So look at the music real quick. We have C, A, D, G. Next line is the same thing. C, A, D, G. Third line is the same thing. C, A, D, G. So left hand isn't too hard because the next page is the same thing too. So we only have like a couple notes in the left hand. But watch that coordination. Left, right, 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 both, both. So be careful of that. Here's the last line. Last line. Little scale. So A, B, C, D. Okay. And the second page is the same stuff. Let me show you the last line of the second page. So we'll start here. That's the hardest part, the weirdest part of the song, because we have new notes. First of all, left hand goes down to a flat, and then it plays a fourth. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right hand plays a fourth too, but you're skipping a note in there. So it's B and E. So be really careful on those notes, but if you sit down and focus, figure out your notes and plug away. Do that last line like 10 times. Okay? Really cool song. Have fun.